Welcome to Vishesh Educational Videos. So in this video, I'm explaining the concept of keyword arguments and print function. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. To get the notification of my new videos, please click the bell icon. So please don't forget to like the video. So please don't forget to share the video with your friends. So let me begin the explanation of keyword arguments and print. Now, so most arguments are identified by their position in the function call. So as you know, every function call contains, right? A function call contains arguments, right? Those arguments are identified by their positions. For example, random dot randint 1 comma 10 is different from random dot randint 10 comma 1 because position changes. For example, the function called random randint 1 comma 10 will return a random integer, but between 1 and 10, because the first argument is the low end of the range and the second argument is the high end. So it will 1 comma 10 means it will return any random integer between the range 1 comma 10. So 1 is low end, 10 is high end. But while random dot randint 10 comma 1 causes an error, so you can't use 10 comma 1 high end first, low end next. No, it causes an error. That's why, right, position of the arguments in the function call matters. However, keyword arguments are identified by the keyword put before them in the function call, right? So keyword arguments are often used for optional parameters. Keyword arguments are often used for optional parameters. Why? How? See here. For example, the print function as the optional parameter end and sep. So print function uses the optional parameters end and sep to specify what should be printed at the end of its argument and between its arguments. So end specify what should be printed at the end. Sub tell that sub means separating, right? Separating them, right? Sub tells what should be separating them, what should be separating the arguments. It is going to tell that. Okay, now we will see with the example. So see, print hello, print word. So it will print hello, it will print word. The two strings appear on separate lines. See, print hello, print word. Hello is first line, word is in the second line. The two strings appear on a separate line because the print function, why print function automatically adds a new line character to the end of the string. It is passed. Automatically print will pass the new line character. New line character means the second statement should be always printed on the new line. Suppose if you have one more statement like print Vishesh, again Vishesh will be printed on the third line. Why? Print automatically adds a new line character. That means printed every statement should print in the new line. However, we can set end keyword argument to change this to a different thing. We can avoid this. I can make that I can make two strings to appear on the same line. I can end the new line. How? By using a end keyword argument. For example, see, print hello, same program, I'm making the change, end. I'm using a end keyword. So after printing hello, it will understand it should end. And again it will print word. See, hello, end it, new line will be removed and it will print the word on the same line. So what I am doing here, I'm using the end keyword here. I'm using the end keyword here. Right? In this way, right? I can change the arguments using these keywords. So, for example, the output is printed on a single line because there is no longer a new line printed after hello. Instead, the blank string is printed. See, the end is equal to blank. So that's why the blank string is printed. New line is not printed. This is useful if you need to disable a new line. So this is useful when we have to disable a new line. So Whenever we want to display the print statement on the same line, we can go for this end keyword. Okay, so hope you're understanding the concept, guys. Suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Okay, next, similarly, when we pass multiple string values to print, see, I'm passing multiple string values: cats, dogs, mice, right? So you can see I'm passing multiple arguments to the print or multiple string values to the print. You can see the output: cats, dogs, and mice is printed, but automatically all the right words are separated with a single space. You can see that. But using sep, I can use whatever the symbol I want to separate my values. Here by default, it is using a space between the values, but I want comma to be comma to separate the values, but I want comma to be used to separate the values. How I can do that means using a sep keyword. Using a sep keyword, I can do that. For example, see, print cats, print cats. Yeah, I am passing again the same arguments: cats, dogs, mice. But see, sep keyword. So in sep keyword, what I am using comma. So instead of blank space or a single space, so whenever it displays the output, it will display with comma. See, cats, comma, dogs, comma, mice. So in this way, to separate my arguments, I can use comma using a sep keyword. To end the new line, I can use a end keyword. Right? In this way, I can uh, change the arguments. Right? I can make changes to the arguments. Right? Using a uh, right keyword arguments like end and sep. Okay, suppose if you have any doubts, please post your doubts in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching the video.